Watch out for the puddles. Here I come, with a wiggle and a giggle. My name is Daisy, and I love to groove.
Quack, quack, quack.
Watch my little orange feet start to move. I have a bright yellow beak that loves to talk.
Quack, quack, quack.
And a very special wobbly way that I walk. My feet are flat and shaped like a fan. I waddle as fast as I can. I wiggle to the left and I wiggle to the right. My fluffy white feathers are a beautiful sight. I'm Daisy, Daisy, the dancing duck. If you see me dancing, it brings good luck.
Quack, quack.
I flap my wings and I shake my tail. I'm a happy little duck who will never fail. Daisy, Daisy, splashing in the stream, living in a happy watery dream. Now here is a secret that is really neat. I use my web-fed feet like paddles on a boat seat. They push the water back so I can glide.
Quack, quack.
Floating along on the rippling tide. And did you know my feathers are like a raincoat? That is how I stay warm while I float. The water rolls off and I stay nice and dry, even when the rain falls down from the sky. Okay everyone, get on your feet. Let's do the duck dance, it is very sweet. Put your elbows out like little wings. Stick your bottom out and give it a shake.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Now waddle your feet like you're in a lake. Quack with me.
Quack, quack.
I'm Daisy, Daisy, the dancing duck. If you see me dancing, it brings good luck.
Quack, quack.
I flap my wings and I shake my tail. I'm a happy little duck who will never fail. Daisy, Daisy, splashing in the stream, living in a happy watery dream. Oh look, a yummy piece of bread. I have to go dive on my head.